What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to use Facebook Graph API. So today's tutorial is a bit tall, so I want you to keep up to the end to not miss out on any step. So what you will do is go to Facebook developer. So when you're in, I want you to click on create app, then I want you to click next, then scroll down and click on other. After that I want you to choose business as an option, and here you will do any app name, then put in your email. Then when you're in, I want to click on app settings, then basic. Here it will ask you for a domain and the terms of service and the policy URL. So what you're gonna do is choose the domain. So I'm gonna choose in this case similar tools. So open the website, then copy the link of it and paste it in the app domain. Then scroll down until you find policy, then copy the link again, paste it in the section of privacy policy, then go back and go to this terms of service, copy it and paste it right here. Then gonna show the category as business, and then you want to do the app mode as live. Then I want to click on save changes. Then I want to click on tools, then graph API explorer. And here you will give the permissions. So these are the permissions. We're gonna just copy them and paste them right there. Then after that, click on create app token and then generate access token. Then I want to click on the eye icon right there and then go to open an access token tool. Then I want to click on extend access token. Now I wanted to go to similar tools again and go to profile. Then here I wanted to connect with Facebook. And that should be it, guys. Now you can use the graphic API on Facebook.